Imagine a city where traffic flows seamlessly, energy usage is optimized, and resources are conserved. Can artificial intelligence make this a reality? Welcome to the concept of smart cities, where urban environments harness the power of technology, particularly artificial intelligence, to enhance the quality of life for their inhabitants. In the sphere of traffic management, AI algorithms can analyze real-time data, predict congestion, and adjust traffic signals accordingly. This results in smoother commutes and less time wasted in traffic. When it comes to energy consumption, AI can help optimize usage by learning patterns and adjusting systems for maximum efficiency. Additionally, AI can play a crucial role in resource conservation, using predictive analytics to manage water and waste systems, ensuring resources are used judiciously and sustainably. Indeed, AI is not just a concept of the future, but a reality that is transforming urban environments today. As we delve deeper into the world of smart cities, let's explore how AI is being put into practice around the globe. Take the example of Pittsburgh, where the SurTrack system, an AI-powered traffic signal system, has made a significant impact. The SurTrack system is a marvel of modern technology, using artificial intelligence to optimize the flow of traffic in real time. This dynamic system assesses the volume of vehicles at intersections and adjusts signal timings accordingly, reducing waiting times by up to 40%. But what's truly amazing is not just the time saved, but the environmental benefits this system brings. By minimizing idle time, it reduces fuel consumption and consequently lowers carbon dioxide emissions. It's a twofold victory. Not only does it make commuting smoother and less stressful for drivers, but it also contributes to a healthier environment. This is a perfect example of how AI can make our urban environments more efficient and environmentally friendly. It's a testament to the power and potential of artificial intelligence in shaping our cities for the better. Or consider the ambition